Today we'll talk about how can you disable JavaScript on your Google Chrome app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go up of here, click in this sign here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings, come to settings is here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, keep going down, then you click here on settings, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down here, then you come here to JavaScript, just click on it. Then you come to this list, come here to JavaScript, click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color is gone. That's me JavaScript disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.